And if you see
Guys, what's happening? Back to the channel, Warranty Boys. We're gonna beat on the Maxx here today at the big wall. This just turns out to be my favorite spot because one, the terrain, and two, it's just quiet. So I haven't had the Maxx here yet, guys, especially with the Widemaxx kit. So expect a lot of rollovers, flips, flops, drops, plops, whatever else you want to call it. I gotta try and get up this damn wall. Like I said, expect it. Flipping off the wall. I'm telling you, what a weapon this thing is. Oh, no transition there. Hard head is what that was. I think the Maxx likes good hard head. Body's coming off. Wall tap. Well guys, I gotta thank you again for tuning in, coming to check out the channel, see the mayhem and chaos and whatever else, destroying RCs. Love to have you back. You gotta come, you gotta subscribe, check it all out. We do a bunch of this, and this is a good spot to do it. Alright guys, that's that. Thanks for coming. We'll see you on the next one.